Here's a pair of the JBL Tune 770 NC headphones. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung Smart TV via Bluetooth. So the first thing is, let's put this in pairing mode, okay? We'll know this is pairing mode when you get a light here that's blinking blue, like it is right there, okay? So let me first just turn these off.
Power off.
Okay, they're currently off now. Let me go ahead and turn these on. Power button right here. I'm going to press and hold till it turns on. It said power on.
Connected.
And it said connected, okay? What I want is a blue blinking light. I don't want it to be connected anywhere. Okay, so I have no blue blinking light, and it's connected. Where's it connected? I think it's connected to my iPhone right now. So if I want to put this in a pairing mode, I can do two things. I can go to my Bluetooth list on my iPhone and forget this device, or basically delete these headphones from the pairing list. If I do that right now on my iPhone, right away, I'll get a blue blinking light here indicating it's in pairing mode. Or another way is, while it's on, I can press the power button twice. Ready? 1, 2. It just said pairing, and now I get a blue blinking light here. Now it's in pairing mode. Now let's hurry up and go to the Samsung TV, and we want to go to settings on Bluetooth settings, okay? So if you have a settings button, you can go that way. If not, just click on the home button, go to the home screen, and then you want to move to the left. And then we're going to go down to settings right there. And then you want to go to all settings. From here, we're going to go down one to sound, select that. Now you see the sound output is currently coming out of my TV, but we wanted to come out of these JBL headphones. So let's select sound output right there. Okay. Now from here, we're going to scroll down to Bluetooth speaker list right there. Select that. Oops. Okay, so now you can see it's searching for devices. I have my other JBLs paired, the Soundcore's paired, Raycon's paired, but look what pops up. It's still in the pairing mode, and we have the JBL 770 pop up. It needs pairing, so highlight it. Click on OK on the remote, and then pair and connect. We're going to go ahead and select it again. It's connecting. Give it one moment. Headphones just said connected, and we can just tap on OK right there. We can go ahead and close this, and you can see right there that it is connected. Okay, now here's the thing. Okay, and you can see the volume rockers working on here as well. Now, if you had issues pairing or connecting, you can always factory reset these. If you want to do that, look in the link below in the description area.